Find the value of a in the following. 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. How are we going to solve it? If you see, we have two terms on the right hand side where we have root 2 and root 3 in each of them, and on the left hand side we have an expression. So the basic idea is to use this left hand side and simplify it so that it gets in the form of 3 root 2 minus a root 3, and then we can simply find the value of a by comparing LHS and RHS. So let's solve this. Taking left hand side, which is 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. In order to simplify it, we have to rationalize its denominator. So for rationalizing the denominator, we multiply the denominator with 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. In order to keep the expression as it is without changing its value, we multiply the same expression into the numerator, which is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now let us simplify this. This is equal to 6 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. If you look at this, we have 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 and 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So this is a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Let's use this identity to simplify it further. This is equal to 6 into 3 root 2, here we have simple multiplication, plus 6 into 2 root 3 divided by, now here we are going to use the identity, so we get a square, that is 3 root 2 square, minus b square, b here is 2 root 3, so we have 2 root 3 square, which is equal to 6 into 3 18 root 2 plus 6 into 2 12 root 3 divided by 3 root 2, 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2 minus 2 root 3 square, so 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3, which is equal to 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3 divided by 9 into 2 18 minus 4 into 3 12, which is equal to 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3 divided by 18 minus 12 is 6, which is equal to, here if you see we have 18 and we have 12, so we can take 6 as common. Why are we taking 6 as common? So that we can reduce this 6 from the denominator, and it makes the simplification easier. So here we take 6 as common, so we have 3 root 2 because 6 is there outside, so 6 into 3 we get 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3, 6 is outside, so we have 2 root 3 divided by 6. Here 6 and 6 cancel out each other, so this is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This is LHS. Now what is RHS? RHS was equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. So just look at it. We have 3 and 3. We have root 2 and root 2. We have root 3 and root 3, and we have plus 2 and minus a. Now comparing these two equations, you can see that this is the only part which is different, which means minus a must be equal to plus 2, which can also be written as a is equal to minus 2, which is our answer. So see, we have solved this question very easily. The only trick is don't get scared right in the beginning after looking at the question, and just start solving it. Follow the procedure, go step by step, don't jump, and you will have the answer. Believe me, study mehr, not anymore.